All right, hey everybody. Pack a day back again, and today I thought we'd check out this pack of 2019 Topps High Tech. It just came out the other day, and I'm a big fan of this product. They are just very cool cards. So we will check that out in just a minute, but first, the card I wanted to show you guys today I was very excited to pull this card. Is out of 2019 Topps Tribute, and it's a Hall of Famer, and you might know him as Mr. October. That is Reggie Jackson. I was so excited when I pulled this card. Very cool signature. It's a tribute to Enshrinement. Talks about his 3 home runs in Game 6 of the '77 World Series. And that is numbered 12 of 30. So very happy to have that. Alright, so now let's see what this High Tech looks like this year. There's the odds. 1 autograph per mini box. Alright, let's check it out. Alright. Plain silver packaging. Alright, let's see. First off the bat, we got a Ken Griffey Jr. That's pretty awesome. Next we got George Springer. These are such cool cards. We got Garrett Cole. And I'm guessing this is our auto. It's a rookie card. Very nice. Carter Kieboom. I'm very happy with that. Next we got Nomar Mazara. And our last card is the man that's on the cover of the box, Derek Jeter. And that one is numbered 97 of 99. Very, very nice. I don't know if I missed any other numbered cards in here. Doesn't look like it. Cool. Well, yeah, that was a pretty good first pack. Nice Carter Kieboom auto. Very cool. Alright, well thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I put up a new video every single day. Thanks guys. Take care.